Open spaces can easily become a mess when cooking, dining, relaxing, and working all compete in one area. But what if you could make it all work beautifully? So in this redesign, we helped one of our subscribers transform her open space into a calm, cohesive home where the areas finally flow together. With Scandinavian-Contemporary style and smart, space-saving solutions, this transformation might just inspire your own. Let's get started. Before we talk about each space, let's first look at the surface materials used for the ceiling, walls, and flooring. Since this is an open space, the same finishes were applied throughout the entire area to keep the look consistent. The ceiling was kept flat and painted in an off-white tone, similar to the walls, to create a clean and seamless look. As an added accent, a warm taupe flatboard was extended from the wall up to the ceiling, giving the space a subtle yet stylish touch. Meanwhile, the existing laminate flooring was retained as it still suited the overall design. This gives us a clear idea of how the space looks with just the base finishes. Now, it's time to address the homeowner's main concern, the cluttered layout of this open-plan area. Let's start with the living area, where things were a bit all over the place. Sai wanted a cozy yet sleek vibe, so we leaned into a mix of warm wood finishes and bold black accents to set the tone. But before the transformation, this space didn't really work. There was no proper storage, no clear layout, just a random furniture that didn't connect. So what should we do? We introduced space-saving solutions and layered design choices to redefine the zone, making it functional, stylish, and totally cohesive. Let's begin with the living area, which allocated enough space. For the seating, you can use low-profile sofa, styled with a neutral throw and pillows to give a calming feel. Instead of bulky side tables, you can place a slim, rounded coffee table in the center to improve movement around the area. Then a soft, neutral area rug helps anchor the seating zone. Next, a $60 modular open shelf divider was added, not just for storage, but to subtly separate the living space from the rest of the layout. Now, on the opposite side is the media entertainment. You can put a modern console with a clean and minimal design, provide storage while keeping the space light. Then add your smart TV above it. Also, floating shelves make use of vertical space, eliminating the need for bulky storage pieces. In this design, the styling is simple but purposeful by choosing decorative pieces that bring warmth without making the space feel cluttered. And a practical storage basket helps keep everyday items organized. To complete the look and enhance the atmosphere, you can add sculptural lighting with LED recessed strip lights and a geometric ceiling fixture as the main light source. And of course, the floor-to-ceiling drapery kept the Scandinavian-Contemporary feel consistent. Every element in this redesign had a purpose to make the living area feel more open, organized, and thoughtfully styled. And some of the pieces used can be found at IKEA, as preferred by the homeowners. Let's move to the dining area, which is located just on the other side of this open shelf divider. It used to be overlooked. The dining table was there, yes, but buried under clutter, and it didn't feel like a real dining space. But what if this underused corner could become a cozy, intentional zone for meals and moments? In this part of the redesign, we'll show you how a few smart choices completely changed its purpose and presence. Now, we've made it work. We kept the same round table and paired with sleek, upholstered dining chairs. This not only saves space, but also add a soft and welcoming feel. The dining set was moved closer to the accent wall, which now serves as a backdrop that defined the space. You can style it by adding simple decor like a vase with plants and a piece of abstract wall art to bring life to the area. In a small space like this, you don't need a storage cabinet. Keeping the area open makes it feel larger and less crowded. So now, this setup shows how thoughtful layout and simple styling can completely change a space, making it both functional and visually appealing. Now, let's move to the kitchen, which is positioned at the far end of the space, right next to the dining area. But here's the challenge. It wasn't just about lacking storage. The real issue was visual clutter, spilling over and disrupting the entire open space. So, to make this kitchen work better, both in function and appearance, we applied space-saving solutions that improved the layout without needing a full renovation. For this kitchen, the L-shaped layout was retained, including the base cabinets, countertop, upper cabinets, and side cabinet. We also made sure the sink, stove, and chimney-style range hood stayed together and uninterrupted, so everything remains accessible but looks lighter and more open. Now, to soften the all-white cabinetry, you can add a textured stone look backsplash, adding contrast and depth. Then, you can also install extra storage like wooden frames and wine shelves that used up the vertical space near the ceiling, space that was previously unused. As the homeowner's wants, these wine shelves can be found at IKEA and cost around $80. And, to define the area better, you can also use an open shelf divider, just like the one we used in the living area. You can also add baskets to the shelf so you can neatly store and hide other items, keeping the area organized. Once the furniture and appliances were set, you can now layer some kitchen items and decor pieces, all chosen to be functional and space-saving, not just for style. For the final touch, add layered lighting, including under-cabinet LED strip lights and a 4-light adjustable track fixture to brighten the whole space. So now, from cluttered and chaotic to clean and cohesive, this kitchen now blends beautifully into the open layout, offering both function and style. Let's move on to the working area, where Sai requested a dedicated space for her task. In the before photo, the workspace wasn't clearly defined. The desk was squeezed next to the sofa and blended in with the dining clutter, making it difficult to focus or stay organized. Now, this space has been turned into a proper working nook tucked between the kitchen and behind the open shelf. It features a wooden desk with built-in storage, paired with a cozy but supportive upholstered chair that fits just right in this area. Then, to keep things tidy and maximize surface space, you can install wall-mounted cube shelves in different shades. These are perfect for storing supplies while keeping them easy to reach. After that, you can add your work essentials and a few key decor pieces to maintain a clean, minimal look. To complete the setup, install LED strip lights under the shelves and use an adjustable arm desk lamp for focused lighting, great for reading, writing, or working. So now, this setup shows how a compact work area can be seamlessly integrated into an open-plan home. With the right layout, furniture, and flow, even a tight corner can become a purposeful and stylish space. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. This is our 80th project in the 100 Interiors Challenge, redesigning the living, dining, kitchen, and working area. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. You can visit our website at www.designburst24.com or hire us directly on Fiverr via the link below. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.